Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ripial Rasidin from the critical listening class. Lately, I have been reflecting on how easily we use plastic and just forget about it. Yet behind every page we open there is a long and concerning story. Through this video, I will compare the two videos from different perspectives. More than just an analysis, I will also share my empathy and personal reflections regarding this issue. This video is a creative transformation of the message I have heard, which I have integrated into a new creative product as my responsibility towards the earth. We will discuss two videos, the story of plastic and the life cycle of plastic bottle. Let's get started. These two videos are like looking at one coin from two different sides. The first video, the story of plastic, make me realize that the plastic problem is a complex systemic and political issue. It's boldly revealed that the plastic crisis is not just our failures as consumers but an industry strategy that is internationally created. I learned that oil and gas companies are actually doubling down on their plastic production. The multinational corporations put single-use plastic products into developing countries that lack waste management systems is a clear form of environmental injustice. They are even planning to build hundreds of new petrochemical plants, while that shows that less than 2% of plastic is effectively recycled. On other hand, the second video, the life cycle of a plastic bottle, provide a detailed technical overview of bottles' life cycle journey. This video explains the process from the upstream, starting from the extracting crude oil underground, processing it in refineries into naphtha, forming plastic pellets, and molding them into a bottle. The main focus of this video is individual responsibility or the downstream side. It strongly emphasizes that if we discard bottles inappropriately, they will end up as microplastic in the ocean or buried in landfills for hundreds of years. While video 1 attack the upstream or the giant producer, video 2 reminds us of our crucial role as user in that chain. After internalizing both honestly, I feel hit hard in video 1. I imagine that marginalized communities that have to bear the burden of waste from developed nations. That is environmental injustice. Then, looking at the journey of bottle 2 in video 2, I feel deeply saddened. A bottle used for only a few sips of water must endure hundreds of years of journey in a landfill or the ocean just because of one wrong decision. When we discard it, I feel a sense of empathy for the ocean, which is slowly turning into a plastic soup. This is no longer just about efficiency, it is about humanizing the earth we share. Today we are crafting flowers from plastic waste, which is one way to show our commitment to the environment. In conclusion, this critical journey has taught me a vital lesson. Real change requires us to walk on two feet. One foot is individual awareness. the daily choice we make, as beautifully highlighted in the second video, to reduce, reuse, and recycle. But the other foot is equally important: systemic pressure. We must demand accountability from the massive industries that produce this plastic, as clearly demanded by the first video. Without both, we are simply walking in a circle. Let us stop being passive part of the problem and consciously start being the architects of the solution. Remember, reduce, reuse, recycle is not just a couch slogan to be printed on posters. It is a fundamental shift in lifestyles, a commitment to a future where our ocean breathes freely and our ecosystem thrive once again. Maybe that's it from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.